Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Sellfy or Sellfy, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video is how do you upload your first digital product on Sellfy? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to upload your first digital product on Sellfy anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're getting started running an online business, you know that selling digital products to your audience is a great way to make extra money. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Sellfy dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Sellfy account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to upload your first digital product, here on the left side, you're going to click on products. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down menu and you want to click on add new product. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these 5 options. However, to upload a digital product, you're probably going to end up choosing either subscription or digital product. If it's a one-off product, you're going to include digital product. If it's a subscription like monthly or weekly, you're going to choose subscription. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose digital product. Okay, first off, you want to go ahead and note these menu options over here. Do you want this digital product to be available on your store? If not, you can turn that off. And basically what's going to happen is no one's going to be able to view this digital product unless you send them the link. Next, what you want to do is go ahead and upload the digital product from your computer. Let me go ahead and grab a file. Okay, I just uploaded a PDF file. So you can actually continue uploading more and more digital products into this one product. So for example, if you're selling a digital product that's recipes, you can have a taco recipe, a burrito recipe, a nacho recipe, and that's all going to be considered one product. They do let you know it has to be less than 50 files and less than 10 gigabytes. So once you've uploaded your digital product, you're going to scroll down and name your product. So this is going to be customer facing. So let's say taco recipes from Mexico. Okay, next you want to go ahead and type out a product description. So this is the description your customers are going to read before they make their purchase. Buy my taco recipes now. And then here in the description, you can go ahead and add links. You can add a picture right here if you want. So this is basically going to be your sales page. And we're going to continue scrolling down and we're going to go ahead and choose a product category. So I'm going to add a new category. Okay, let me go ahead and name this Mexican products. Especially if I'm doing recipes, I can have a category for Mexican products and then another category for Chinese products. And I'm going to click on save. Okay, I'm going to scroll down and then you want to go ahead and choose a thumbnail. So this is going to be the image that someone sees before they buy your product. So I'm going to add an image. Okay, I just grabbed an image of some taco and I'm going to scroll down. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and set the price. So first you want to go ahead and choose the currency. I work in US dollars. And then let's go ahead and sell this for $99. They do have this feature where you can pay what you want. I've never actually used that. I guess that might be like a donation thing. Okay, and scrolling down stock, this is going to be if it's a physical product or even a digital product, you can set a limit on it. So you can uncheck this and say there's only 50 available, especially if it has a special price or something like that. Variants, you can go ahead and add another variant. So if it's a recipe book, maybe we can have a Spanish variant, we can have a Chinese variant, and then SEO settings. So this is so your digital product on Sellfy can show up on Google. So you can add relevant tags. So we might add Mexican food and recipes. And same thing, we can add a meta description. This is not required, but you may as well add it in because there is a possibility this page shows up on Google, which could be free traffic for you. Okay, now we're pretty much done. So you want to be sure to click on save product here on the top right. Okay, next you're going to see this pop up. Congrats on your first digital product. So here you can go ahead and copy the link. Once you copy the link, you can go ahead and paste it into a Facebook post. You can post it on your Twitter or wherever you normally share your digital product links. But let me go ahead and open up another browser and show you what that link looks like. Okay, so here is the purchase cart. So if you've connected your payment methods, they're going to be able to add to cart and then make a payment directly through your Sellfy. And as you can see up here, this is the URL that we created. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to upload your first digital product on Sellfy, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.